Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at them fat legs. Look at them fat legs. Look at them fat legs. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. YouTube. What up? It's your boy,
Wavy Crockett.
and today I'm gonna show you guys how to brush your 720 waves with a palm brush, man. With a palm brush. So I'm gonna show you guys, man. So let's get into it. I got my palm brush right here, the 6451 Torino dope brush, man. I love this brush. If y'all hear Tori in the background, y'all see her. She's right there in her walker. She getting it in, so don't pay her no mind. Y'all already know, man. We a family here, so y'all just vibe with me, man. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna start with the right side. All right, so if you want to, you can start vertical in it like this if you want, but I recommend for beginners to start with the brush like this. So just like this. Get a little closer for y'all. So we start right here, and then you want to keep coming. So you're still at that angle when you hit to this area, but you want to start your new angle right here. So let's get straight into that so I can show you guys. So you see that? So after we finish this angle, this swoop, we're gonna come right here and we're gonna place the brush where we finish. So we finished the swoop like that. So now we're gonna put it right there. So we put it right there and then we come in right here. If you want to, you can put the brush this way, but I like to just vertical it and really be precise. So we come right there. And then our next angle, after we finish this angle, so we finish it all the way through. The next angle we do, we put the brush right here a little bit higher, and we come all the way. All the way. Then another one, we go a little bit higher. Right there, and we go all the way. All the way. And so once we finish that angle, now we place the brush right here. And we going. We going. Then when we get to our crown area, we stop right here. So we've already done this angle, and now we're here into the crown. So we swoop up. We swoop right there up. My crown is really, really long right now, so don't pay it no mind. Next thing we do, y'all already know, if y'all seen my how to brush a 720 crown, we place the brush right here, and we come in this way. So we're still hitting our crown, and we're hitting the top of our top angle at the same time. So we're still hitting that part. So now we've brushed. Let's go back over it. We've brushed here, we've brushed here, and we've brushed here. And we placed the brush there to start this slant. Then we took our brush and we went right here. But make sure the head is kind of to the side. And so once we've done that, we've now brushed all this area. So we're placing the brush right there, and we've brushed all this area. So then if we want to finish our crown up first, we start here and we swoop. So now we place the brush. You want to place that brush right here and swoop, because now we've brushed this area, but this part hasn't been touched yet. So we need to place the brush there to finish that angle off. And then now we've already brushed our right side, so we can just go straight down again, and that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much the whole breakdown of brushing with the palm brush. So we gonna now get us a fire session in. I'm gonna turn up the music. I want y'all to grab your brushes and let's get into it, man. Let's get it.